Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming core prerequisites so the feature works reliably. First, update your S24 Ultra to the latest system build. This fixes model-specific bugs. Once done, connect to Wi-Fi or mobile data because Live Translate offloads heavy language models to the cloud for accuracy. Make sure you grant microphone and location permissions to the Translate app and camera. These let real-time audio and live captions work. Now that those essentials are ready, open the Translate app and move to the next step. You should now activate Live Translate and tailor it for your use case. Open the Translate app and pick Conversation for back-and-forth speech or Camera for live captioning of signs and menus. Select your target language and use Auto for the source language if you don't know what will be spoken. Then, go into Settings to tweak microphone sensitivity and subtitle size so translations are readable across distance and noise. These adjustments optimize latency and readability, ensuring smoother, faster translations during use. You're ready to use Live Translate. Position the phone so the microphone picks up both speakers or enable speaker mode for multi-person chats. Tap Translate, you'll see live captions and can enable spoken output for the other person. Once done, close the session to save battery. If translation lags or fails, try restarting the app, toggling microphone and network permissions, or clearing the app cache. These fixes resolve most glitches quickly. If problems continue, reboot the phone and recheck system updates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.